Hey guys, Sakir from sakitech, and in today's video we will be talking about the Filmora 13 video editing software, which is a powerful video editor with tons of features and extremely useful AI capabilities. In fact, here's a simple clip I created using Filmora AI. All the video footage, subtitles, music, and editing was handled by Filmora.
AI is taking over the world. Some believe the technological growth of AI will become uncontrollable and irreversible, resulting in unforeseeable consequences for human civilization. This is known as singularity, where AI becomes the powerful superintelligence.
So that's amazing, and I will show you how to get that done, plus a ton of other AI features such as generating subtitles from your voice or even background music just using AI. So in this video, I will actually edit and create a small movie using Filmora 13 using video clips I recorded with a video camera about my motorcycle. The objective is to show you how easy it is to create movies that look amazing using all the tools and features present in Filmora. The link to download Filmora is going to be down below. It is free to try. You can also get a paid version. Those details are going to be down below. So check those links if you like what you see. So let's dive in. And of course, thanks to Filmora for sponsoring this video. All right, so when I click on Filmora, here's what I get. This is the main screen from where I can create a new project, or I can directly access some of the AI tools such as AI text to video, AI text-based editing. I also have a built-in screen recorder if you want to screen record or screen capture to present your screen like I'm doing right now. So that's an option. But let's quickly start a new project. I'm going to show you guys a couple amazing things here. So here we have our workspace. On the top, we have got the media, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to import some video clips that I want to edit in this movie editor. So I tap on import, and I'm going to go to my motor. I'm going to select all these files. I'm going to say open, and they are going to get imported so I can work with them. Now I can click on any one of these guys to preview the actual video clip, as you can see on the side screen on the right. So that's that. And at the bottom, what I have is I have the timeline where the actual editing is going to take place. So let's start with an amazing AI feature. So I'm going to grab this clip right here, okay? I'm going to drag and drop it right over here. And you can see I'm going to click on plus here to make that a little bit more easily visible. So first I'm going to use this slicing tool. So I'm going to bring the slicing tool right here and just click on the scissor icon. And that's going to slice the clip. Now this clip here does not have any audio, so I don't need that. Any area that has audio, you can see at the bottom we have an audio track. So this I'm just going to delete with the delete key. And look at this. I'm going to play this clip. All right, guys. So in this video, what we're going to do is we are going to be talking about the Kawasaki Z900. This is the 50th anniversary edition. I'm going to pause right here. This is where the audio ends. And up until here, I don't have an audio. There was a pause. So I'm going to slice this up, cut it up. I'm going to delete this segment. Now I'm going to play it again. And I will show you guys something amazing. It's going to be an AI feature. So tap on play. As you can see with the gold accented colors right on the front here. And you can even see a badging over here. Okay, so that is the introductory clip where I'm going to be talking about this motorcycle. And now I have cut it up so I have all the audio inside. Now what I don't have is I don't have any subtitles. So I am going to use the AI tool that is going to recognize the speech in the video and convert that into subtitles. So select the clip that you want to create subtitles for, or select the collection of clips. So I'm going to select these guys, and right over here, you can see it says speech to text. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to ask me to select the language, the audio, which is English. That's the language I'm talking in. And then we have the clip selection. You can do clip selection, which I just did at the bottom, or you can do the entire timeline sequence. It's going to be based on you. And here I'm going to click on SRT to create subtitles using AI. And look at how amazing it is. By the way, I'm also going to enable auto match so the subtitles match my actual speech in the video. Normally, I would pay somebody a lot of money to get stuff like this done. Now it is free with Filmora as long as you have their subscription, okay? So I'm gonna click on okay, and look at what happens. It's scanning, and it's gonna be uploading, and it's gonna be processing the stuff, and now it is transcripting. You can see everything right here. All right, so I'm gonna wait for that to happen. So clip number 1 is complete. Now it's doing clip number 2. And I'm gonna show you guys how amazing this whole thing is gonna be. So that's all done. Now I'm gonna exit out and look at what's happening, guys. So as I talk, look at the bottom here. All right, guys, so in this video, what we're gonna do is we are gonna be talking about the Kawasaki Z900. It was able to generate precise subtitles completely matched to my voice. On top of that, I can select these subtitles and double click on it to go into the detail and even change the sizing of the subtitles. So this one here is white. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to customize and I'm going to change first the color. So I'm going to pick the yellow color, okay? And then I am going to go down a little bit here and I can even add a background. So if I click on this, now I can have a background so it's more visible to people, okay? And then I'm going to select this area here that says apply to all and save. Now look at what happens. Now I got my subtitles that were created automatically. All right, guys, so in this video, what we're going to do is we are going to be talking about the Kawasaki Z900. This is the 50th anniversary edition. And I was able to customize them so they're actually easier to be seen by people. So that's amazing. Now I am going to delete that real quick. Let me just delete that. I'm going to show you one more thing. So again, if I select my clips and go to subtitles, I can also select the presentation style of the subtitles to be titles. You see this in a lot of videos. It is an amazing way to create videos. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Tap on OK. So that's done. I'm going to exit out and look at what happens now. All right, guys, so in this video, what we're going to do is we are going to be talking about the Kawasaki Z900. This is the 50th anniversary edition. So you can see now it is giving me these titles that I can also edit. So each title is separate and you can remove or edit them as you please. So maybe I don't need the first 2 titles. I can just erase these guys, all right? And look at when I do a play. All right, guys, so in this video, what we're going to do is we are going to be talking about the Kawasaki Z900. All right, so I can also go back to Kawasaki Z900 title here, double click it, and I can change its properties. I can give it different presets, as you can see, okay? Any of these guys that I want, just to make the video even more interactive. So all these things I can do to make the video look even better. Let's look at that one more time. The Kawasaki Z900. Okay, and all that is happening using AI intelligence. So that's that. Now I'm going to show you a couple more things here in relation to AI. I'm going to show you guys text to AI feature. But first, I'm going to grab a couple clips here. So let me grab this clip right here, put it over here. Okay, that's how you make a movie. So I'm going to grab another clip. I'm going to put it right over here. And I am going to grab one more clip and put it right here. Okay, so we have a couple clips, as you can see. By the way, very smooth operation. Okay, so what I want now is I want to use some kind of music. I want to mute these clips so there's no sound from the clips. But I do want to add a background music. But I want to use AI music, meaning I want it to be completely fresh. So I'm going to go to audio on the top. You have stock media, audio, titles, transitions, all that stuff is here. In fact, if I go to transitions, you can use any one of these transitions to make your videos cooler. So if I want to create a transition from here to here, look at this. I'll grab this guy and I'll drag and drop it between the 2 clips. And I can resize it, and look at what it looks like, the transition. Look at this. Here. Okay, so that was a nice, quick transition. Here. There we go. Okay, so I can do transitions. But let me show you the audio. So if I go to audio, over here, we have the AI music option. Okay, and then there's an AI tool where I can click on start, which is going to generate AI music on the fly. So tap on start, and look at this. You can pick what theme you want. So I want the tempo to be high and I want the mood to be epic, then I want to go to the theme, and I want something to do with cinematic or drama. That's going to be up to you based on what you are editing. And if I go to genre, I can say techno and trance. Now I'm going to tap on start and look at what happens. It is going to generate music on the fly using AI. So it gives me like 3 options and I can test drive those. So let's click on this. That's one option. Then I have this one. That's another option. Then I have this one. That's another option. So I can click any one of these and download them to my timeline right from here. So let's grab the first one. I'm going to tap on click to download. That's going to be the online content that comes into my generated music. So if I go back over here, I'll just clear the music. I'm going to go to generated, and that's the one I downloaded. Now I can grab that. Let me just make this timeline a little bit smaller and larger so you can see it at the bottom. So I'll grab this music and I'll put it right at the bottom. All right. And then I am going to truncate this. Let's go back over here like this. So now I have a music in the background. Of course, you do want to double click on the audio and lower the volume so it doesn't, be too loud. So look at this. Now when I play, let's make it a little bit louder here. Just a little bit. Okay, so that music was generated on the fly and I was able to add it to my video just like that, which gives a lot of character to the video, especially with the music in the background. Even in the beginning, if I play this. All right, guys, so in this video, what we're going to do is we are going to be talking about the Kawasaki Z900. This is the 50th anniversary edition. So you can see how amazing that is. Video editing and creation, very easy, and give that punch to your video. Now I'm going to show you one more thing. I'm going to save this project. I'm going to show you something even more amazing. So let me just save this. I'm going to say test project. We'll come back to this in a second to show you a couple more things. So tap on save, X out of wondershare, and here's the main screen. So let's say that you actually want to create a video completely from text. So what you do is you go to AI text to video. I'm going to click on it, okay? I'm going to get this prompt where you're able to type your own text to generate video. So I'm just going to paste the prompt that I did earlier. So I'm going to say paste, and it's going to say, riding motorcycles is such an amazing experience, especially when you are riding out in roads with trees on both sides. Now I want that to be narrated and turned into a video, so all I do is click on text to video. It's going to start the process and look at what happens at the end. Almost done here, and then it opens up a new project. It basically gets me subtitles, video footage, and audio, including background music. Take a look at this. I'm going to play this, and remember, this was generated using AI. So if I play...
Riding motorcycles is such an amazing experience, especially when you are riding out in roads with trees on both sides.
So just using text, I'm able to generate entire videos. Now, this is not going to be perfect all the time. Obviously, AI is not perfect. Filmora is going into a database of videos and using existing videos to give you relevant stuff. So sometimes things may not look perfect. So in that case, what you can do is, after you have something like this, you can just edit this to your needs. So if you don't need this clip right here, you just delete that clip and put your own clip. But if you want to use this clip, you can use this clip. And if you don't want to use subtitles, you can just select and delete the subtitle. That's going to be up to you as well. If you don't need background music, or if you don't like the background music that was added automatically by AI, you can remove that as well and add your own music. The point of this is AI is here to help you out, to even create videos from scratch, get you that inspiration initially, and then you can actually edit and modify the video that was created for you based on your needs. All the tools are right here. Now here's just one more example. I'm going to go to AI text to video and I'm going to paste in another phrase. It says the solar system consists of 8 planets that all orbit around the sun. And then I'm going to click on text to video. Look at what happened. So we just got this one right over here. If I click on play.
The solar system consists of 8 planets that all orbit around the sun.
So you can see how useful this tool can be to create and generate B-roll. Again, remember, Filmora goes into a database of videos and pulls relevant videos automatically for you based on the text. All right, so we are back at the original project. I'm going to show you guys some amazing effects you can add to further enhance your videos. So for example, this clip right here, let me make it much cooler. And also, as you can see, there's music in the background. So I'm going to make it much better than just the video itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my effects tab on the top, and there's a lot of effects here, but specifically I want to show you guys the light effects. So if I go to my light effects right here, look at what I can do. I can grab this bokeh effect and I can drag and drop it on top of a video clip, and that is going to add the effect to the actual video, and you can see it's going to be super smooth. But look at how nice it looks with the music. Okay, watch this. That was absolutely amazing. All right, so let's do this a little bit better. So I'm going to bring this clip right here. I'm going to make this clip shorter right here. The other clip is going to snap into place. And let's say I want to make this clip a little bit smaller. So that's going to snap into place. Okay, now watch this. I'm going to go back into my effects. I'm going to grab the same effect. I'm going to put it on this clip as well. And then I'm going to go back to my transitions. I'm going to grab a transition. So again, I'm going to do the fast wipe right transition. You can use any transition you want that you think fits the scene. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller and look at what happens. All right, so that just makes the clip even better and better. In fact, I can shorten this a little bit more. Let's make this a little bit shorter, see what it looks like right now. So great, precise editing. You have all the basic editing tools like transitions and effects, and there's a huge selection. On top of that, you've got your AI tools to maximize your productivity and creativity. All right, the next thing I want to talk about has to do with stickers. So using stickers, you can enhance your videos. So I'm going to go to the sticker tab on the top right here, and you can see I have all these options. I've got stickers that you have saved. I've got the AI sticker option, and I have pre-built stickers. Let me show you some really nice looking stickers. So when I click over here, you get a breakdown, a drop down, and you can pick from different stickers. So if you are on social media, making videos for social media, you have things like this. So you can add things like just drag and drop onto the timeline, and you can prompt people to like and comment on your video. This is what it's going to look like. Look at this. Okay, and you can, make it even longer if you want. It's all going to be up to you. All right. So another option, if I go down here, if you are on YouTube and you want people to subscribe to your channel, you can use things like this. Look at this, subscribe now. Okay, now some of these stickers are paid, some of them are free, so it's going to be up to you which one you want to use. So let's take a look at what this one looks like. Look at this. So that makes it very, very interactive and easy for somebody to look at it and just subscribe to your channel. And then we have some really other amazing things. One of my favorites is the neon stickers. So take a look at this. So let's grab this like sign. I'm going to put it right here. And look at how amazing that looks. Let me just resize that a little bit. All right, look at this. And of course, I can take it and I can move it or make it bigger or larger, as you can see. Okay, I can just put it to the side if I want to, just like that. All right, so that's just one option. We have all these other neon stickers. Let me show you one more right here as an example. Okay, so look at this. So I can use one sticker to point to the other sticker, indicating that I want the person to like the video. right, so fantastic. So those are the stickers. And again, you have all these filters, effects, transitions, titles, audio tools, AI music creator, and all the other AI tools I showed you guys. Now, links to download Filmora is going to be down below. It is free to download and try. And if you like what you see, you can actually buy it and you can go to the next level.